Good job clicking on the tutorial for Xlookups and not the tutorial for VLOOKUPs like those other noobs. Enough with the introduction, welcome to the world's quickest Xlookup tutorial. Click on the cell that you want the value to appear in, obviously. Type Xlookup with an open parentheses. Up first, the lookup value. Click on the cell that you want the returned value correlated with, followed by a comma. For table array, you're going to highlight the area that you want Excel to find your lookup value in. For table return, you're going to want to highlight the area that you want Excel to return when it finds that value. So just quick, a recap of what we've done so far. We clicked on this value to tell Excel what to look for. We told Excel to look for that value in this area, and if it finds it, we told Excel to return the value from this area. Moving on, the next step is super important. You're going to want to click the like button for this video, followed by the subscribe button. Trust me, it's important. Back to Excel, the next areas are optional. The only one that we're going to do is the if not found, which is you telling Excel what to return if the value isn't found in this area. In this instance, I'm going to write in quotations, month not found, close those parentheses, click enter, and your value will appear. From here, we can click on the bottom right corner of that cell and drag it down to have your values appear. When you click on the world's quickest tutorial video, you might find yourself wanting a slowed down version. Make sure to click on the video here to get the same topic at a slower pace. Thanks for watching.